Listen, ngithanda wena kuphela mina.
Ngiyibona, I've been seeing you looking at other girls. And uthanda zona lezi ezimhlophe.
No, I love you.
Ngithanda kanjani?
Ngithanda nje.
Uyangibona njani? I even went to go do my skin. To use some skin lightening products for my face. And look what it's done. It damage engakuyibona.
But why did you have to go through all that? Because mina
ngenzela wena.
Ngikuthanda nje ngoba unjena nje.
Nje ukuthi ngithanda isikhathi salento. Anyway, I have an appointment to go sort out my skin.
Baby.
Good morning. Welcome to Melia Beauty. How may I help you?
Hi ma'am, I've been using these really bad skin lightening products on my face and look what they've done to me. I really hope you can help me.
Okay, so we have a brightening face wash. It's definitely going to do the job. It's going to start brightening up your skin and it's going to start drying out your pimples. And then we have an exfoliation mask. Excellent product. It's just going to take away all those dead skin cells. And then we have our glutathione capsules. That's just going to brighten up your entire body from head to toe. And this is the magic. This is our miracle depigmentation gel. It will remove the dark spots on your face. This product you'll never find anywhere else. It's our amazing advanced sunscreen. It has glutathione in it. It's got vitamin C in it. And it also is going to help in the whitening process because you've got lots of dark patches and pigmentation on your face.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
I am so glad we could help you.
Hey babe, unjani? Ngiyakuthanda mina yazi. So listen, tonight I was still on. Yeah, but yeah, no, I love you. Ngizofika ntambama. Awu bayazala abanye omama eminyango madoda. Awu madoda. I can be your Jay-Z and you can be my Beyonce. Sister, cela ungiphi number yakho.
Angizwa. Buka, you can't even recognize me. I knew you like skin girls. Uyinja wena man. Awusangiboni, awusafuna ukudidiswa leli bani.